Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Monday, October 24th, just at the close of New York. Let's get right into oil. It is already closed. We opened gap down from that close yesterday, or I should say Friday, sorry. And had straight buying pressure resistance at that HVA edge, but that pressure was high and it just shot up like a rocket. And then went sideways for about an hour or so before deciding to finally go up again, hit that HVA edge and come crashing down, and then somewhat recovering and going sideways. So with that said, where we close in compared to yesterday's, I think we're slightly, ever so slightly down. And by slightly nowadays in oil, that could be a whole point. But yeah, we're slightly down from Friday's close, but back inside that main body. So one solid potential entry there for our students off those levels that, again, are drawn the night before the next day's trading endeavor. As far as gold goes, not a whole lot of action. We opened right on that support of that HVA edge, had some buyers step in, and it was not wanting to give. They had to make a move up higher to the other edge, came back down, getting some decent penetration, but again, they just could not leave this area alone, this 1652.10. But with that said, they did close net positive for the day as they had opened above the close. As far as our equities go, well, we opened gap up from the range and close from Friday. Let me scroll back here. Had some initial selling, found a floor, and then they shot up towards that HVA edge. Had some resistance around there. You can see how it panned out. They shot back down. And then the news came out at 9:45. You can see the volatility that was there, and it just went crazy. And then ultimately it came back down, got to its close, and then some, and then went right back up. And for the most part, it was just grinding and choppy as can be. But you can see towards the end, they did make some new highs, but it was a grind. It's a Monday. Typical Monday is usually not that great. But with that being the case, we are closing net positive for the day in the ES. Similar story in the NASDAQ. We'll just scroll back here. Right here. So we opened, and the difference with the NASDAQ, though, is we opened, I think we opened like right below the close. The close was right here, I think, from Friday. So we had to move up, and then we had some selling. They found a floor, and then, as you can see, the movement around those HVA levels pretty decent. And then the news came out, that volatility. So there were a handful of entries again in the NASDAQ, had made those new lows. Come lunchtime, it just was a grind up, a very choppy grind up, which is okay. That happens. But we had plenty of opportunities. You can see the support and response at these levels that, again, are drawn out the night before. So if you are interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before your next day's trading activity, feel free to reach out to us. If you're interested in learning how to trade futures and the methodology that we teach here at Target Trading, again, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us on Facebook. We are Target Trading Academy, or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.